Christian Albrecht Jensen was born 26 June 1792, died 13 July 1870. He was a Danish portrait painter who was active during the Golden Age of Danish painting in the first half of the 19th century, painting more than 400 portraits over the course of his career. He depicted most of the leading figures of the Danish Golden Age, including the writer Hans Christian Andersen, the painter Christoffer Wilhelm Eckersberg, the sculptor Bertel Thorvaldsen, the physicist Hans Christian Ørsted and the theologian N.F.S. Grundtvig. Although Jensen experienced considerable commercial success, he received little official appreciation from the artistic establishment of his day. In particular, the art historian and critic Niels Lauritz Høyen criticized his style, finding his paintings unfinished.